Hey everybody, it's T-Bird here. Usually it's Jaws doing the introductions, but it seems like he's asleep in the wagon. So let's give him a wake-up call.
What are you doing?
It's flipping wagons day.
No, what? No, that's my new wagon. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Oh, come on, man. Don't get angry with T-Bird.
You better be prepared for karma.
Now he's having a temper tantrum. Grow up, man.
Better be prepared. I don't like you. I don't like you either. I'm gonna go run up that tree and get away from this place.
You should really tie those.
You know what? You know what you should do?
Seems like Jaws isn't very happy with me.
Throw some sticks at you. You know what? Eat some grass. You don't get it, T-Bird. You don't get it. Get away. Yeah. Be prepared for karma. Karma's gonna come back and get you. It's gonna eat your ass. Then you know what else? It's gonna eat your ass. You know what else? You can suck my weakness. And you know what else? Karma's coming back to get you. Ow!
Aw, Jaws, did you hurt a fin?
5 minutes later.
Well, everybody, it seems like Jaws is asleep again. He usually just cries himself to sleep anyway, so. Jaws!
What? Oh! Ten minutes later.
Yet again, Jaws is asleep. So, what am I going to do? Oh, I got it. His lips are in the form of like he's about to kiss somebody, so let's make him kiss somebody. By the way, this morning I stepped in dog shit.
You're a meanie. 15 minutes later.
Technical difficulties, everybody. It seems Jaws is still in shock from my last prank on him. Wonder how he's gonna get me back.